Hello. So I just want to explain one of our new additions to the office. This is our new 3D printer from Formlabs. Dr. Jane purchased this in order to better serve our patients by allowing us to make these 3D models right here in-house, along with our iTero scanner, which we take a digital impression, and then we are able to print these out. We use these for in-house retainers, whitening trays, night guards, as well as we are going to be able to start making surgical guides in the near future. Surgical guides are used for implant planning and implant placement by Dr. Jane, Dr. Coe, as well as our oral surgeon, Dr. Brady. So this gives us a lot of expanded functions in the practice and saves time with patients because the turnaround time for this is as little as 2 days. In the past, we would have to send it out to a lab, and the turnaround time is usually 2 to 3 weeks. All right here we have our new CT scan. We had a previous one by Serona. We just upgraded this to a brand new Plan Mecha machine. With this new Plan Mecha machine, we're able to do CT scans with ultra low dose. This allows the doctor to do follow-up CT scans with a lot less radiation than our previous machine and the previous machines out on the market. With this new machine, it actually also allows us to do bite wings extraorally with less radiation than a regular conventional x-ray that you take in the room. This is a great feature for patients who are gaggers, who can't fit the sensor very far back, as well as, we use this for implant planning, as well as wisdom teeth extractions to see how close they are to the nerves. If you actually look over here, you can see a scan that we took and how much detail it gives the doctor. And like I said, the best feature is less radiation exposure for the patients.